Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, and I will be doing altcoins soon here again. I'll be charting Ethereum Classic because a lot of people like that as well. So I'll be back to doing Matic and some of the Cardano. We're all loving those moves. So we're gonna go back to some of the altcoins and we'll go back to charting some of those. I think I'm gonna start doing those individually. Okay, and keep Ethereum and Bitcoin together because those are the two big ones, right? All right, so I just wanted to clear that up. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. Now, with that being said, we had our wedge here, came out, boom, bought the top, bought the bottom, sold the top. Now here, I talked about how we could have missed this bottom because I was sleeping. We had the double bottom bounce. Okay, then I talked about a potential W pattern, or it could roll over and do an M pattern. Well, an M pattern, it would have to break this line right here to be a complete M pattern, which we didn't get. We held our resistance line right here, okay? Or our trend line, I'm sorry. We held our trend line like I talked about, all right? So we're holding this trend line, then we got the bounce. Then I talked about, hey guys, maybe purchasing once we broke this area. You could see this was strong resistance. Boom, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected again, got rejected. All of a sudden, we had this big candle. Boom! We ripped through the upside. Okay, so you had your buy in here. Okay, because we missed the bottom, and I was sleeping. That's on me. And so we bought in here. Okay, so now where are we on the chart? Okay, so we made some money. If you guys bought in, you're making a little money. You bought in some Bitcoin. You bought in on some Ethereum, which we'll go over that chart as well. Because like I said, this was the zone to break, right? Then we're going to trade around this zone. Now, could we still touch this 35,300 area like we talked about? Or I'm sorry, yeah, 35,300 area like we talked about? Yes. So now what I'm looking at here, guys, is because we talked about this always being a bullish wedge, it has more potential to go to the upside, right? But we still had to look out for this W in the M pattern. The M pattern did not happen. So we got the bounce, okay, which was a nice bounce, as you could see. Yeah, I wish we could have got the bounce, but I wanted to be on the safe side with you guys. We want to win trades, guys. All right, even if I got to buy a little higher, which, yes, we've been buying the bottoms and getting tops, but I missed the bottom here. To me, that was a missed move, so I didn't want to chase it. Now I wanted to make sure we were making a right move here. So now what are we seeing? Well, we got this trend that started here, okay? So now we got to look to make sure we can break this trend. We don't want to see a wick and then touch our 35,300 area. If that happens and we get rejected, then that could be that could be bad, right? So we want to see a candle close above here, maybe a 4-hour or a daily, and then if we retest, that's fine. Okay, that's perfect. But we want to see this break, and we want to see candles closing above these areas. Okay, for more upside, then maybe we can test these areas again. Okay, so that's what we're looking for right now on Bitcoin. I'm not going to make this video too long. I've been really busy. I'm so sorry, guys. It's just one of those things. I've been super busy. I'm going to start getting back on making the videos. But I got family in town this weekend, so I've been super busy. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know. All right, so Ethereum, real quick. What happened? Came out of our wedge. We talked about this being a bullish wedge, okay? Then I talk about retesting this W area, okay, that we broke out. You see the W right here, okay? And I said, hey, we're going to probably retest this W, okay? Sorry, my drawings are really bad. So we retested the W, all right? Then I drew this little pattern for you guys. I said, look, we're going to come down here. If we break this, then we're probably going to retest this 2158, which we did. Exactly, hit our target. Okay, 2158. We touched it. And we came back, and then we finally broke it. Okay? So if you would have got in here, you would have been okay at what is it, 2100. Okay? And then we broke out. Okay, now we're up here. Now where do we go from here? Well, let's see if these areas break right here. Let's just draw this. All right. But here's the thing. You guys can move your stop losses to your buying price if you're in. All right. Anytime you break major resistance, guys, If I tell you it's major resistance and I'm buying if we get above that area, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Or I'll be selling here, depending on how we react. So you guys can make that choice. Okay. If we blow right through this and get a 4-hour or daily close above here, we'll look for the next upside. Okay. Yeah, so right now, this is what we're looking at. Okay. We want to see if this area could break or even maybe a little higher. We can go to the top of the move. Okay. All right. 22.88 because we were $10 off when we sold it. But I mean, guys, $10 off when you're buying the bottoms and selling the tops, not bad. So basically that's where we're at. We want to see that next area break. Now, if we fold like a lawn chair, or you guys see a pattern that looks bad on the hour chart, you see an M pattern develop, or if you guys see a W. Right now, we're seeing nothing, just sideways movement across the board. Okay. Now we look at the ribbons. Guys, we talk about this. I say if you see the 4-hour ribbon flip, this is another good time to buy. And I said above 34,100, which is a little off on this chart because I had it on this chart, right? 34,100 was a buy area. So if you would have set your buy area there, boom, you would have got it. Let's see here. What else? Did we see anything else? I think that's it. We talked about the ribbons. We said flipping the ribbons, that would be bearish. We flipped it on the 4-hour. So I said keep an eye on that. We're going to draw this trend. This is where we're gonna watch out for rejection. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna lock this now because it's not. Make sure we get it accurate. All right. So now we're gonna look for a rejection here, guys. Is this the? Well, are we hitting it right now? Let's see. Where did I? Oh, wait. You know what? That's wrong. That's wrong, guys. We got to back up right here because I knew something was off. So we go to the top of this line. Okay. And we draw this point. So we haven't got there yet. All right. So boom, boom, right there. So we're getting very close. You can see we're getting very close to our line, even at 3,500. Or it could keep going sideways and we can get rejected here and then a bounce and then a break. So these are things that we got to watch out for. But we could get rejected here soon. Now we want to see a break for more continuation, of course. If we get rejected and we extend this line here, okay. Oops. Oh, so that's where we're at. All right. Let me do that on my other chart too as well. Let's extend this to make sure that this trend line holds. So far, it's been really good to us, right? Now, what does that tell us? Let's see. We got a bigger picture here, guys. I know I'm doing this video way longer than I thought. You know what? Hey, this could be a potential coming out of this move could be big. We're getting to the end of it. So this could break. Or we could come back down. So let's just keep an eye on this. All right? This could be nice. This could be a nice move. Or we could do one more thing. We could come back down here. We could retest this area or get down here and retest the trend, then get farther in the pattern and break. Okay? That would actually be more bullish if we did that. We'd have a better break to the upside. So those are the scenarios that we have, guys. Listen, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Much love. Move your stop losses up to your buy-in if you're in, or at least 1%, whatever it costs. Cover your cost. Make sure you guys do that. And if you do get stopped out, because we're in a tricky situation here. Actually, this is a tough one because it could come back down, then you get stopped out. But what you do is you just wait, and if you get stopped out and you see the bounce, you know that you can buy back in. Just look for patterns, guys. Or you can just play conservative and say, hey, you know what? If this trend breaks right here, which you're getting close to it, I'm out. But the time I get this video done, it might already broke. So there's nothing I can do about that, guys. But listen, much love to you guys. Make sure whatever you guys want to do, just if you want to take money, take money. Okay, you want to wait until you get here, take money. Okay. Now, what you could do here is take some profit off the table if we do get here. Then you can wait to see what happens on this action here. If we get rejected or if we break and get the candle closing, that's something you can also do to be on the safe side if you're a safer trader, if you don't want to be greedy. Guys, making money is always the name of the game. Oh, we're breaking it as we speak. But the name of the game, now you can wick it. This doesn't matter as long as the candle closes above it, which we got an hour candle closing in 2 minutes. So, geez. Yeah, you want to see, you just want to make sure you cover all your P's and Q's here, guys. All right, I want to give you every scenario that's possible so you guys can look for it because, like I said, I can't be here every five minutes for you guys. I wish I could. I am going to start. I'm just busy. I'm busy this weekend. I apologize. Much love. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. You know, let's keep this thing rolling, okay? You can follow me on YouTube, Moondog Trading. Make sure you hit the sub and the all. And you could also follow me on Twitter. It's Moondog Trading 1. I'll put the link in the description. Much love to you guys. And thank you for watching. Peace out.